Hello, today we will show how to reset your WordPress website to first install. First, we log into admin. Okay, this okay after reset. Go to first page, home page, and reset again. Refresh list. Go to first install. This best way for your clear all data, picture, and anything in your site. Thank you and please subscribe.